Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video we will solve machine problem in Python, and then we will create a program that is called word bank. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. And please support my channel guys by subscribing. So let's get started. We have here machine problem in Python. Step number 1, write a word bank program. Step number 2, the program will ask to enter a word. Step number 3, the program will store the word in a list. Step number 4, the program will ask if the user wants to try again. The user will input Y, capital Y or small letter y if yes, and capital N and small letter n if no. Step number 5, if it is yes, refer to step 2. So what is step 2? Step 2 is the program will ask to enter a word. Step number 6, if no, display the total number of words and all the words that the user entered. Okay, so we have here the source code. The source code is only composed of 11 lines of code. What is good about Python programming language? It has so many built-in functions that makes programming much easier compared with other programming languages. Example of a built-in function in Python is append, lower. So we have here the res or response equals double quotation y word bank. We are using the data structure list in Python, while res lower. So every word, every time that our program will ask you, do you want to try again? If the user will respond by typing capital or small letter y, it will be automatically convert into lowercase. So lower open and close parentheses is a built-in function in Python. So enter a word, normally input str and then word bank append. When we say append, it is a string manipulation function in Python to append the word. Say res, do you want to continue? Let's say no. It will count the number of words and then it will display using for looping statement in Python the list of words. Okay, so the next step that we will do is to execute the program. Let's go to run, select run. Okay, so it's running right now. Enter a word, let's say computer. Do you want to continue? Capital Y, yes. Virus. Do you want to continue? Yes. No. Accidentally, no. Total number of words to word in the list, computer, and virus. Let us run again for the second time around. Sorry for the mistake. We have the word bacolod, city. Do you want to try again? Y. Negros, second word, Negros, Occidental. Do you want to try again? Yes. Manila. Do you want to try again? Yes. Mandaluyong. City. Do you want to try again? Type N. No. So, how many words that we have? We have 4. Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Manila, and Mandaluyong City. So, the number of words is 4. So, this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to create a word bank using list function using Python programming language. By the way, I'm using pycharm as my integrated development environment that you can download free from their website at JetBrains. I will put a link in the description below so that you can download the complete and free program listing. Thank you so much for watching. This is your, before we forget, don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel by subscribing. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.